Okay.
See, I don't know. We don't know what is greatness. You know what greatness is? The definition of greatness has always been in my head. Somebody that could do something that is so tremendously hard with the simplest of ease. That's greatness.
Yellow. Greatness is making difficult things look easy, and in doing that thing, you inspire others to believe they can do it too. Thus, naturally, you are both astounded and inspired by greatness, even when you understand that whatever is happening is very difficult to achieve. This can be seen anywhere. The food vendors who go viral for their ability to meticulously work and put together a meal, like this one here, and this one. Notice how calm the man is, how calm these individuals are. This is a common theme throughout the human condition, whether you go to a physician or observe a massage therapist who seems to have a magic in their touch. Those who build a proficiency to a point where in turn they become great, there's a calmness, a composed air in their execution, and it is not forced. It is not a mask at all. It is earned. That calm is absolute trust in the infrastructure they've built within their being. That's just it. It is faith. Faith in themselves. Faith in their character, their discipline, the things they've done to reach a consistent execution. Faith. Faith in your ability. Thus, even when the job is done, there is no explosion of elation pulling one too far out of their calm confidence. Everything happened as it should have happened. The result was expected. It was normal. The king was supposed to sit on the throne. When you understand, you again realize truly that people doing things great is a phenomenon everywhere. The barista who makes a perfectly dense, creamy foam, the mechanic who knows exactly what is wrong the moment he hears the car drive in. How did he know that? His spatial reasoning or some other form of intuition just kind of gave him a feel for what was wrong the moment he heard the moving parts. It's astounding. Yet, as easy as it was for him, imagine how much discipline and how much humility to the process of learning and growing he spent to just get that instantaneous intuitive feel. Humility to a process, cultivating a prowess with the skills demanded for that environment. The natural result of dedicating oneself is the calm. It is not a mask, it is earned. The calm confidence, the faith in oneself, all of it, it is earned. The poise, the mental state, it is as if the act of doing something hard and developing agency over it has tempered the mind. Thus, when you see the belt wrap around Israel Adesanya's waist, it is the same there. A calm, confident poise, dignified, for the calm presence does not lose its strength. It does not lose its power. It is a paradox. To be like water, but to be mentally resolute, rock solid, tempered, cool, regardless. It's as if all that happened just as it should have happened, regardless of arena. This is what greatness in any endeavor looks like. You make the difficult things look natural, easy, even when the truth is, the dedication and discipline involved of forging yourself to that point, it was the hammering of hot steel which forged that cold edge. To that end, may I implore that we all strive to put our soul into our work, for the path is broad. The way can start anywhere. Thank you to all of you for watching, and until next time, peace.